Alright, today we're working on putting this trailer hitch receiver into the frame here. The previous owner had welded this big chunk of C-channel in here that was part of the rear bumper. I cut that off when I was doing the motor swap, and I also used it to mount my brake lights. That was a pretty good thing. And see up here, it's welded on the bottom, and then there's some bolts, actually bolts with squirt nuts going through there on the top. So pretty old, I'm guessing. You can see it goes through there, and it's welded down here on the bottom too. Move these wires there. Yeah, you can see right there, it's kind of welded in there. Alright, you can see that this was the piece that was in there, that channel on the bottom there, and this slid up into the frame. See how much between, you know, it was engineered, and that's for sure. Thought about it for a bit. Alright, so this side was welded, the inside and the outside, the top and the bottom. Really wanted just, oh, I thought I had it free. You really wanted that to, whenever they're home, to not fall. That sucker is heavy. Clean up a little bit there. I'm gonna burn the frame a little bit, looks like. They're welding. That's alright. Alright. Alright, so working on the taillight and tailgate hinge here. So I ended up drilling out the threaded inserts that were in there, and installed a sleeve. I have one of those. Anyway, I'll show you in a minute. Installed a sleeve in there, and then ran a bolt all the way through with some acorns on the back here, stainless. I got the tail light mounted there. It's pretty nice. I'm replacing these, waiting for those to show up. This side, however, has a little bit more damage. I had this bolted up there to, and this was in there. Looks like that's broken off. And then this piece of pipe right there was inside the bottom of the tailgate. So they were using that as the hinge right here. Or the hinge, the pivot right there. And I'm not sure if that is supposed to be in there, but it's a nice solid piece of steel, I think. And I think I'm going to cut it down and put it back into the tailgate when I'm done, because that provides some strength. It was down in the bottom of the tailgate there. So, and this tailgate's a bit rusted. You can see, light's not so good, but there's some holes and some all that fun stuff. But all right, that's where we're at. Now this side is a bit worse for wear, that's for sure. A big hole in here. It's pretty chunked up, and these things are stuck in those inserts. I don't know if you can see that insert down in there. Maybe. Anyway, that's in there. This one is also, and there was some interesting hardware they used back here to bolt it up. But so I think this one I might have to cut this out and then put my sleeves in there. Done. I had made this template here. The other side, so I think I can use pretty much these measurements. Just flip them, mirror, and see what happens. All right. Alright, so cut these pieces out of the back of the bed right here. Had to get into here and cut it. My grinder's too big to fit in there, so I'll figure out a different way. And then apparently there's a little support right there, didn't know, to hold this all together, and this piece off of here too, so it's kind of like double walled or something right here. Let's see a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Not enough light. Anyway, so yeah, so I still gotta get that piece off, and then these bolts are still in the in the other side here. So and this one's apparently that broke off, and they drilled a new one or something right there. So work on getting some of that junk out.